Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you the tutorial how to measure your blood glucose aka blood sugar by using this Chinese device called Sannuo. Now with the help of this device you can measure the amount of blood glucose in your body, and it's measured in mmol, and it is necessary that you must have between 4 to 6 mmol to be healthy. So I'm gonna show you the tutorial how to set up this device, because the instruction they are all in Chinese. So in the first place I'm gonna show you how to set up, and then we're gonna proceed how to measure your blood sugar. Okay, so this is the device called Sannuo, and I'm gonna unbox it, as well as I'm gonna show you this is the pin with the help of which you can extract your blood. Okay, this is the instruction here, but there are less detail in this instruction as well.
Now here is the main device. Okay.
Here are the needle with the help of which you can take out your blood. These are the strips, and there is a strip code in its strips. Okay, in this strip the strip code is C06. C06 is the strip code here. Now let's take out one strip. Okay, so this is how the strips looks like. Here is a where you put your blood. Here is the arrow sign. You need to put this strip in this blood glucose meter like this. Okay, as you can see, by default there is a C06, but it is not necessary that there is always C06, because when we first used this it was C08. So you need to set up this device to C06 first. You have to long press this C, and it begins to beep, you know. So you gotta choose your strip code, and these are the strip code of, maybe it's of another strips, but for this strip I must choose C06. So I'm going to choose C0656. Okay, set. Now C06 is set. After setting C06, you must take out the strip from the device. Now you must be wondering, what is this? This is like a gun, okay? We put this needle in this device, and it's really pointed and sharp. You can see it's really pointed. So first you must take out. It's like reloading the gun. Okay, now let's reload. This is how you cock the gun. Okay, you can adjust the intensity by moving this. This is the highest, so it's better. We can put in the second low. Okay, I think this will be better. And you must put your, maybe middle finger will be better, so you must put your middle finger like this. Okay, you can sting your finger by pushing this button. Okay, now okay, let's begin the final test. Okay, before testing your blood sugar, you must put this inside. After setting this device C06. Okay, you have got 90 seconds to extract blood. So let's cork this. Maybe the middle finger, yeah. and here is the blood. But remember, you have to put the blood from the side of the strip. Okay, and it takes 25 seconds. 2, 1, 0. Okay, and it's 7.11 mol. That means my blood glucose is normal. You know why? I will explain that. For a normal person, the blood glucose must be between 4.0 to 6.0. That is in case if you are in fasting. That means if you have eaten nothing. But in case if you have eaten something, then after 2 hours, when you measure, your blood sugar must be below 7.8 mmol, which means I have 7.1. That is because I have eaten my breakfast. Okay, now after testing you can dispose this strip. Here is a button. Okay, now it's disposed and the device is off. The needle, which we have loaded in this device. So, okay, now this both must be disposed. Okay, thanks for watching.